Welcome to Rewilding Relationships. I'm so glad that you landed here. My name is Malia Scott. Currently, I am an LPC-Associate in the state of Texas, supervised by Dr. Nicole Black and Carol Kent. I offer individual and couples therapy, sex therapy, integrated couples and sex therapy. I also offer groups and weekend intensives for couples, whether you're wanting to work on the realm of couples and sex therapy. I also do weekend discernment intensives for couples that are on the brink of divorce. When I'm not working with therapy clients, I offer workshops, and I also offer online courses. I'm currently in the process of building my online school. So I'm so glad you landed here. I have a lot to offer. I have a lot of tools. I'm the kind of therapist that likes to integrate. I like to pull from a lot of different modalities. I would consider myself a lifetime learner and adventurer, and I truly love learning from a lot of different modalities and meeting myself and my clients where you are. So have a look at my website, reweldingrelationships.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I also offer free 15-minute consultations to make sure that we're a right fit. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you're looking for relationship or sex therapy. I look forward to connecting with you.